Ozenmak Makina and Kalup fulfills orders for metal and plastic chair mechanisms in a very short time in its modern facilities, equipped with the latest technology, machinery park, and sustainable production network. Since the establishment of Ozenmak in 2009, the company has served many establishments in the electrical, furniture, accessories, and automotive sectors in sheet metal cutting and designing and manufacturing of forming molds and plastic molds. As of 2019, our company has started the mass production of office chair mechanisms and spare parts with the Sunnyline brand and continues production with its renewed machine park that is expanding every day with its experienced staff to offer products to our valued customers. Our aim is to contribute directly to the country's economy and generate new business opportunities by producing products and services of universal quality at home and abroad with our entrepreneurial spirit by carrying out new production studies. Our outlook to the future is to have a more dynamic and entrepreneurial business structure with our new product range and customer portfolio by following the developments in our sector in the new global world order that will become more prominent in the coming years. Our values include responding to customer expectations with quality and stability, working without interruption to always do our best, act with the awareness that our main capital is human resources, and prioritize investments that will ensure service continuity and add strength to the Turkish economy. Sincerely, Ozenmak Kalup Makina. Further ahead with each day with cutting-edge technology.